Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. My name is Manjeet and today I will be recommending a movie which I saw very recently and it is available on Netflix. इस मूवी का नाम है द डिसाइपल एंड इट इज़ डायरेक्टेड बाय चैतन्य तमहाने। ये चैतन्य तमहाने की दूसरी मूवी है। इससे पहले भी इन्होंने एक मूवी बनाई थी, उसका नाम है कोट। एंड कोट मैंने पिछले साल ही देखी थी एंड इट केम इन द ईयर 2015 और 14 बट आई एक्चुअली सॉ इट अ ईयर बैक एंड समथिंग अबाउट दैट मूवी, मैंने जब वो मूवी देखी थी आई वॉज लाइक कि ओके इट्स अ ग्रेट मूवी एंड फाइन डन विद इट. But after 7 or 8 days, some scenes of the movie started to hit me back. They started to come back, like the scenes where the ink is thrown at the lawyer, the scenes where they quarrel over in the courtroom, and especially the ending part of the movie. And when you have watched a movie and it still like reflects in your mind after a long time, then I think it's bound to be classified as a great movie. And so was the case with Court. And I think the reason why this happens because Chaitanya Tamhane uses very long and wide takes in his movies. मतलब इतने लंबे और इतने वाइड शॉर्ट टेक्स होते हैं कि एक एक सीन ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 10 या 12 मिनट्स तक जाता है. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट आई थिंक somehow your interest is very much vested in that, and because of that those scenes stay with you a lot longer and you kind of implore on them, you kind of think on them after you have watched the movie. So that was about the movie Code, which I'm sure that you must have seen, and if you haven't then you must see that also. Now let's talk about the movie Disciple. इस मूवी का प्लॉट है अबाउट अ क्लासिकल वोकलिस्ट और हिंदुस्तानी म्यूजिकल singer who is basically someone who is trying to achieve perfection in his art, who is trying to achieve brilliance in his art form. But ये art form इतना difficult है that he has to sacrifice literally everything in his life and he has to only focus on the art, and that is what this art demands. He has a Guruji of whom he is a very thorough devotee, and the Guruji serves as a medium through which the disciple kind of learns and practices his music. So basically this movie is about the struggle of that character who wants to achieve brilliance in his art form, and which is shown in various stages of his life. मतलब at one stage he is a very young child who is learning from his father, and फिर वो एक young age में होते हैं, 20-21 साल के होते हैं, who is learning from his Guruji, and his continued struggle in his late 30s where he is still trying to achieve that brilliance but somehow he is lacking it. I mean कि इस मूवी में इतने parallels हैं that kind of display it in a very interesting manner. एंड द डायरेक्शन ऑफ चैतन्य तमहाने इज़ इन सच अ ग्रेट वे कि आपको ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपको पूरी नॉलेज हो क्लासिकल म्यूज़िक की और हिंदुस्तानी संगीत की, बट द वे ही हैज़ शोन सम सीन्स you might even guess कि when the main character is singing well and when he is not singing well. And I don't think कि इस पूरी मूवी का main purpose is to like show Hindustani music and only that particular thing. I think it broadly shows the struggle of an artist, like how an artist has to sacrifice a lot in his life, almost everything in his life, and yet he has to take care of his personal needs, his monetary needs and his physical needs. सो दिस मूवी इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, इट्स अ ग्रेट मूवी. एंड मैंने इस मूवी का एक रिव्यू पढ़ा था जिसमें इसके एक सीन के बारे में बात करी थी. देयर इज़ दिस वन पर्टिकुलर सीन इन दिस मूवी वेयर द मेन कैरेक्टर इज़ काइंड ऑफ सेलिंग सीडीज़. बेसिकली वो एक जॉब करते हैं जहाँ पर वो पुराने म्यूजिशियंस के जो टेप होते हैं उनको वो सीडीज़ में करके बाद में बेचते हैं. एंड एट वन सच कॉन्सर्ट वेयर इज सेलिंग सीडीज़ एंड ओल्ड मैन कम्स एंड से कि यार ये एक फेमस सिंगर है, प्लीज़ गिव मी द सीडी ऑफ दैट सिंगर. एंड देन the main character says कि we don't have that particular CD but we have another artist whom you would very much like, but the thing is that you might not have heard about him. मतलब वो काफ़ी underrated artist है and if you might give it a listen he is as better as the artist that you are currently talking about. It is just like Chaitanya Tamhane saying that hey, you might have heard about me, you might still think that I'm underrated, and if you just give me a chance and if you watch this then it can turn out that I might be better than lot of people that you already know of. एंड ऐसे बहुत सारे पैरेलल्स हैं जो मूवी में चलते रहते हैं एंड दैट इज़ वाई इट्स अ वेरी फाइन वर्क ऑफ आर्ट. सो आई थिंक दैट यू शुड डेफिनेटली वॉच दिस मूवी. एंड यू माइट ऑलरेडी नो कि इसने वेनिस फिल्म फेस्टिवल में बेस्ट स्क्रीन प्ले का अवार्ड जीता था, एंड अल्फांसो कुआरॉन इज ऑल्सो हिज मेंटोर एंड whom he has worked on the sets of Roma. So it's a big deal and it's a great movie to emerge out of Indian cinema after a very long time, and I think you should definitely watch this movie. जैसे कि आप वेस्ट वर्ल्ड देखते हो पूरी अटेंशन के साथ and you don't want to have any distraction while watching Westworld, I think that the same thing applies with this movie. Do watch it with a good deal of attention and without any distraction and you will thoroughly enjoy it. So that was the recommendation for today, and until then keep watching movies and take care of yourself.